Got one day in Hanoi or Vietnam? Don't miss this. Hey guys, welcome back. आज हम एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं the stunning Halong Bay. थोड़ा क्लासी, थोड़ा हाई वाइब और प्योर सिनेमैटिक. इस व्लॉग में we're gonna cover 3 amazing spots during the cruise, plus booking कैसे करना है, prices, food, सारी important information, सब कुछ डिटेल में मिलेगा. So let's get started because आज का experience is going to be next level. Hello, namaste and Kim Cho, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Let's explore culture beyond borders, have fun beyond borders because you're watching with me, Isha Beyond Borders. Super excited to go to the Halong Bay cruise, and this is the first stop. So the port is very close. We've just stopped here to explore some pearls and the process of extracting pearls from oysters. They've also showed us how to test the fake and the original pearls. फर्स्ट स्टॉप वियत पर्ल. यहाँ हमने सिर्फ पर्ल फार्मिंग का प्रोसेस ही नहीं देखा बट पूरा एक्सपीरियंस काफी इन्फॉर्मेटिव था. उन्होंने हमें बताया कैसे ऑयस्टर्स को ईयर्स तक ग्रो किया जाता है, कैसे पर्ल्स नेचुरली फॉर्म होते हैं और फिर कैसे उन्हें केयरफुली एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है. डिफरेंट पर्ल ग्रेड्स, कलर्स, शेप्स सब कुछ डिटेल में समझने को मिला. एंड दिस इज अ पैराडाइज फॉर शॉपिंग लवर्स. यहाँ बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं, फ्रॉम प्रीमियम पर्ल ज्वेलरी टू अफोर्डेबल सोवेनियर्स, स्मॉल गिफ्ट आइटम्स, मैग्नेट्स, हैंडबैग्स, स्कार्फ्स, लिटरली एवरीथिंग फॉर एवरी बजट. क्वालिटी इज ग्रेट and it's a great spot if you want to take something Vietnamese and authentic back home. Plus a small cafeteria भी जहाँ आप freshen up कर सकते हो, coffee, snacks, washrooms, सब properly well maintained. So overall, Viet Pearl is not just a tour stop but a very convenient and informative break during the Halong Bay trip. Cruise finally board कर लिया and honestly it was beautiful. 3 spacious decks, classy interiors, बहुत clean seating areas, overall vibe एकदम premium था. Staff भी super friendly and our guide was genuinely helpful. Every spot clearly explain करते रहे and made sure everyone was feeling comfortable. Lunch was quite widespread, seafood, salad, noodles, fruits, desserts, variety बहुत थी but yes, Indian vegetarians के लिए options थोड़े limited हो जाते हैं. So maybe carry some snacks if you're picky. But overall ambience plus cruise experience एकदम perfect start for our Halong Bay journey. और हाँ, of course you can have drinks of your choice, whether cocktails or mocktails, but yes, it's a paid option. Hi guys, so I'm here at the much awaited part of the trip, the Halong Bay Luxury Cruise. I was super excited. Of course, everything in Vietnam is so beautiful to look at, but it was slightly disappointing because of the rains, but I'm so glad the skies have cleared up today and it's just perfect view, amazing experience altogether. Although we have just started, but I'm super excited for the day ahead. Now this cruise, I've booked it via Get Your Guide, which costs roughly around 5,000 rupees per person, and it includes your lunch, it includes your pickup and drop from the center of Hanoi. It also takes you to a couple of islands. There are a lot of islands in the Halong Bay, more than 2,000 islands. Next stop, the legendary Sunsot Cave, also known as the Surprise Cave, and honestly nothing could have prepared me better for this place. So to get here, you have to start with a short uphill climb, just a few minutes, and the moment you step inside, wow, it literally feels like you've walked into another world. But yeah, there's gonna be a slight queue at the beginning, which is easily manageable. Alright, the cave opens into these massive chambers, each one getting bigger and more dramatic than the last. The lighting inside the cave is stunning. It makes the rock formations glow, almost like nature built its own spotlight show. As we move deeper, our guide kept pointing out shapes hidden in rocks, animals, figures, whole stories carved by time, and every corner felt like a new reveal. No wonder they call it a surprise cave. It genuinely keeps surprising you. The air gets a bit humid, the pathways twist and turn, and the sense of adventure just hits different. It's one of the places where you stop, look around and think, how is this even real? Sunsot Cave is not just a stop, it's an experience. And yes, certain pathways can get very narrow, so make sure you're ready for it and do not forget comfortable footwear. Honestly, one of the coolest parts of the entire Halong Bay trip is the Sunsot Cave. Also, you cannot climb here and go back to the same spot because the cruise picks you up from the other side of this mountain. Next stop, Luon Cave. और ये experience
एक्सपीरियंस बिल्कुल ही अलग था। ये कोई वॉक थ्रू केव नहीं है, यहाँ आप रोबोट या कायाक लेकर अंदर जा सकते हो। और ऑनेस्टली मैंने कायाक चूज किया एंड दैट वाज द बेस्ट डिसीजन एवर। जैसे ही मैंने कायाक लेके केव के एंट्रेंस की तरफ पैडल कर रही थी, पूरा वाइब शिफ्ट हो गया। लो लाइमस्टोन आर्च, स्टिल वाटर एंड जायंट क्लिफ्स दोनों साइड से, एकदम ही सिनेमैटिक फील। केव के नैरो ओपनिंग से क्रॉस करो और अंदर मिलता है एक हिडन लगून, सुपर क्वाइट, सुपर पीसफुल, एमरल्ड वाटर की रिफ्लेक्शंस, स्टीप क्लिफ्स और बस पैडल की हल्की आवाज। पूरा मोमेंट ही मैजिकल लग रहा था। कभी मंकीज दिख रहे थे, कभी बर्ड्स, और नेचर इतना अनटच्ड लगता है जैसे कि किसी सीक्रेट वर्ल्ड में आ गए हो। एंड यस, डोंट फॉरगेट टू माइंड योर हेड बिकॉज केव्स गेट रियली नैरो। लुओन केव इज लेस अबाउट एडवेंचर और ज्यादा अबाउट सोकिंग इन द मोमेंट, पर कायाक करते हुए ट्रस्ट मी वाइब नेक्स्ट लेवल हिट करती है। कायाक करते करते मैं इतना अंदर पहुंच चुकी थी कि आई डिडंट इवन नो वेयर द डॉक वाज। सो आई वाज देयर फॉर अबाउट 45 minutes to 1 hour, but I will remember this experience for the rest of my life. Last stop, T-Top Island, and seriously the best ending ever. यहाँ का biggest highlight था the viewpoint trek. थोड़ा steep, थोड़ा cardio, but जितना ऊपर चढ़ते जाओ views उतने ही wide होते हैं। और top पर oh my god, पूरा Halong Bay का 360 degree panoramic view, emerald waters, limestone cliffs, tiny boats नीचे, literally postcard in real life. इस moment ने पूरा trip worth it बना दिया। नीचे एक cute सा बीच एरिया भी है जहाँ यू कैन चिल, टेक पिक्चर्स और जस्ट ब्रीथ आफ्टर द क्लाइंब। और हाँ, एक टिप, इफ यू हैव मोर टाइम, डेफिनेटली ऑप्ट फॉर द 2-day क्रूज। यू गेट वे मोर टाइम टू सोक इन द एक्सपीरियंस, एक्सप्लोर पीसफुली और हेलोंग बे का पूरा मैजिक फील करने का मौका मिलता है। एक दिन का ट्रिप अमेजिंग है, बट 2-day क्रूज हिट्स डिफरेंटली। T-Top was truly the perfect finale to my Halong Bay adventure. Also, again, make sure you're fit enough to climb this. And secondly, I didn't see a lot of Indian tourists going up. There were others, especially senior citizens from other countries. So I request my Indian senior citizens to please look after your health, get ready for the trek and explore countries and explore traveling in the best of your health. And that's a wrap on our Halong Bay adventure. पूरा trip roughly 10 hours का होता है. Long day but totally worth it. This is my take on the Halong Bay adventure, which is the Avatar experience for me. मेरे पास और भी videos lined up है about Vietnam. So tell me next कौन सा देखना चाहोगे? Is it Ninh Binh or is it Bana Hills or anything else? Comment below and let me know. Yes, if there's any feedback, please share that as well, which will help me improve my coming up videos. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to help me come up with more such amazing travel content. See you in the next one. Take care until then.